Hello friends, today we are discussing how to solve the problems in convex mirror. Okay, so before watching this video, please make sure that you have been watched the previous video how to solve the problems in case of concave mirror. If you know how to solve problems for concave mirror, it will be very easy to understand to solve the problems in case of convex mirror. Now let me see your first question. An object is placed 15 centimeters from a convex mirror of radius of curvature 90 centimeters. Calculate position of the image and magnification. So if you observe this convex mirror problem, here it was given clearly a 15 centimeters was an object distance. An object is placed 15 centimeters. That means your object distance u equals to minus 15 centimeters. As we know, according to sign convention rules, in case of convex mirror, u will be minus, f will be plus, and v also is plus. U minus, f plus, v plus. And again what it was given, the radius of curvature is equals to 90 centimeters. Okay, that means the distance from P to C is 90 centimeters. Then how to convert the radius of curvature into focal length? Just you have to divide it by 2. Okay, so focal length is nothing but half of the radius of curvature, that is 90 by 2, which is nothing but 45 centimeters. Now what we have to find? Position of the image, that is image distance we have to find, and also we have to find the magnification. So before solving this problem, just we have to draw a rough diagram for a convex mirror ray diagram, because we have to know what answer we need to get. That means whether we have to get image distance positive or negative, how much value, expected value, just we are guessing what will be an expected value. So here you have your convex mirror. This is the reflecting side and this is the back side of the mirror. PFC. So radius of curvature 90 centimeters. Then focal length will be 45. Here you can see an object is placed at 15 centimeters in front of the convex mirror. A convex mirror always forms virtual, erect and diminished image. And also you can observe the image is always obtained between P and F inside the mirror. That means your answer always should be less than focal length in case of convex mirror. That means your answer should be less than 45 centimeters and it should be positive. Now we will solve this problem by using your mirror formula. So what is your mirror formula? 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So here F is nothing but 45 centimeters and U is nothing but 15 centimeters. So just you substitute here. So 1 by 45 equals to 1 by minus 15 plus 1 by V. So here 15 means focal length F value, U means minus 15. Now what we have to do next step? You have to shift this 1 by minus 15 towards the left side. Once we shift towards the left side, it will become as a positive. That means it will become as a 1 by 15. Now here you can see 1 by 15 plus 1 by 45 equals to 1 by V. Just this 1 by minus 15 I shifted towards left side. So 1 by 15 plus 1 by 45 on right side you have 1 by V. Now you have to do the LCM. How to do the LCM? 15 into 45 at the denominator and numerator 45 plus 15. Okay, so 15 into 45 and 45 plus 15 is equals to here 1 by V. So 45 plus 15 is nothing but 60. So 60 by 15 into 45 is equals to 1 by V. Now what we can do here, 15 ones are 15 fours are 60. Okay, 15 ones are 15 fours are 60. That is 4 by 45 is equals to 1 by V, but we want the V. So V equals to 45 by 4, reciprocal. 1 by V is 4 by 45, then V by 1 is nothing but 45 by 4. So if you go for the cancellation by using 4 table, 11 fours are 44 and 1 remain point, it will be 10. So then you can cancel 4 2s are 8 and again 4 5s are 20. So V equals to 11.25 centimeters. Now we got your V value. See, the V value should be less than F. So less than 45 we got. So your image distance is right. Now we have to find the magnification. The formula for magnification is nothing but M equals to minus V by U. Okay. So your V value is nothing but 11.25. Okay. Here you see M equals to, in formula we have a minus, so I kept a minus, and V value is nothing but 11.25 and U is nothing but minus 15. Minus minus get cancelled. So 11 by 2.5 divided by 15, which is nothing but 0.75. Always remember, for convex mirror it always forms diminished image. So magnification will be always less than 1 in case of convex mirror, and also it will be positive. Okay. This is your solution for your first problem. Now let me go for your second problem. Second question. A 2.5 centimeters candle is placed 12 centimeters away from a convex mirror of focal length 30 centimeters. Give the location of the image and magnification. So here you see 2.5 centimeters candle. That means the object height is given as 2.5 centimeters. Is placed 12 centimeters away from the convex mirror. That 12 centimeters is nothing but your object distance, and focal length 30 centimeters, and he is asking you to find the location of the image and magnification. That is, image distance we have to find and we have to find the magnification. Okay. So before solving this problem, just we need to go for the rough diagram. So this is your convex mirror PFC. Focal length 30, so center of curvature will be 60, and object is placed 12 centimeters in front of the convex mirror. As we know, the convex mirror always forms virtual, erect and diminished image. So the image is always obtained between P and F, behind the mirror, inside the mirror. So your V value should be less than F. That is, less than 30 should get, and also positive. And your image height also should be less than 1, and it also should be positive. According to sign convention rules, U always will be minus. Now let me solve this problem by using your mirror formula. So mirror formula, 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So where F is nothing but 30 and U is nothing but 12. Just you substitute here. So 1 by 30 is equals to 1 by minus 12 plus 1 by V. Now you have to shift this 1 by minus 12 left side, it will become as a positive. Now you see 1 by 12 plus 1 by 30 is equals to 1 by V. Now we have to do the LCM. 12 into 30 at the denominator, numerator 30 plus 12. Okay. So 30 plus 12 is nothing but 42. So 42 by 12 into 30, as you know. So how we got this step? So 12 into 30 and 30 plus 12. So it is 42 by 12 into 30 is equals to 1 by V. Now there is a cancellation, simple. You can use the 2 table. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are. That means 21 2s 42 and 2 6 12. So 21 by 6 into 30. Okay. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are. Okay. 21 by 6 into 30. So 30 into 6 is nothing but 180. That is 21 by 180 is equals to 1 by V. But we want a V. So V equals to 180 by 21. So if you do go for the cancellation, so 180 by 21. So that is you will be getting an answer. V equals to 8.57 centimeters. You can use the 21. You can cancel with the 21 eighths. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we have to find the magnification. The formula for magnification, that is HI is equals to minus V by U into H naught. So you can use the magnification M equals to minus V by U, but in our problem we got object height, so I am using this formula. HI equals to minus V by U into H naught. Both we can use, but in a problem it was given object height, so I want to use this H naught value, so I am taking this formula instead of that one. So if he doesn't give object height and asking you to calculate magnification by using m equals to minus v by u, we can solve it. Now you see you got your v value and you have your u and h naught. Substitute in the formula. V is nothing but 8.57. Already in formula we have a minus, and u is nothing but minus 12 and h naught is 2.5. So this minus get cancelled, and 12 8.57. If you go for the cancellation, you will be getting 0.71 into 2.5, minus into minus plus. So 0.71 into 2.5 is nothing but 1.77 centimeters. You got your image height as 1.7 centimeters, which is less than your object height. Okay, as I said already, the magnification value should be less than 1. So when you will be getting magnification less than 1, when we use the formula m equals to minus v by u. Why? Because here the v value is 8.57, whereas the u value is 12. Okay, when 8.57 divided by 12, here you can see v by u, 8.57 divided by 12, you will be always getting less than 1 value itself, that is 0 point. But when we are solving by using this formula, so you can compare with your object height. Okay, so don't get confused when you are using this hi value. This value always will be obtained less than h naught, but when you are using magnification m equals to minus v by u, you will be getting 0 point values itself only, less than 1 itself only. Okay, so this is your second problem. So your third question, an object is kept at a distance of 5 centimeters in front of a convex mirror. The focal length of the mirror is 10 centimeters. Then what is the image distance? How much is the magnification in this case? So in this problem, an object distance is given as 5 centimeters. So object distance u equals to minus 5 centimeters and focal length is given as 10 centimeters, and is asking you to calculate the image distance and magnification. So now just you go for your rough diagram. So this is your convex mirror PFC, and your focal point is 10 and center of curvature will be 20, and object is placed in front of convex mirror at 5 centimeters. As we know, the image is always obtained inside the mirror, that is between P and F. Your V value should be get less than 10 centimeters and it should be positive. Now we solve this problem by using the mirror formula. 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So now substitute the values of F and U, F and V, now F and U to obtain the V. Okay, now you see, so F is 10 centimeters and U is minus 5 centimeters. So 1 by 10 equals to 1 by minus 5 plus 1 by V. Now you have to shift this 1 by minus 5 towards the left side. What will happen? It will become as a positive. That means you will be getting as 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5 equals to 1 by V. How we got this step? This 1 by minus 5 shifted towards left side, so it becomes as a positive. Now you have to do the LCM. 10 into 5 and 5 plus 10. Okay, so 5 plus 10 is nothing but 15. That is 15 by 10 into 5 is equals to 1 by V. Now 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15. That is 3 by 10 is equals to 1 by V. So we want the V. So V equals to 10 by 3. So 10 by 3 is nothing but 3.33 centimeters. That is 3 3s are 9. 1 remain. Keep the point at 10. Again 3. Again 3. So 3.33 centimeters. Now you check. So it is less than focal length, less than 10. So your V value is correct. Now we have to find the magnification. The formula for magnification is m equals to minus V by U. So substitute the V value 3.33 by 5. So denominator value is higher than the numerator. So obviously we will be getting an answer less than 1 itself. That is 0.66. Okay. So once you here, we cannot 5 and 3 we cannot cancel now. So if you make a point here, it will become as a 33. So 5 6 are 30. Again 3 left. 5 6 are 30. Okay. So 0.66. So which is less than 1. So this is the solution for your third problem. Your fourth question. An image is formed at a distance of 10 centimeters from the pole of a convex mirror of focal length 20 centimeters. Find the position of the object. If you observe this problem, here he gave image distance and focal length, asking you to calculate the position of the object. Okay, an image is formed at a distance of 10 centimeters. That means an image distance is 10 centimeters and focal length is 20 centimeters. Find the position of the object. That is, you have to find the U value. So already we know for convex mirror the U value will be minus. Now how to calculate this object distance? By using a mirror formula. 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Now the F value is nothing but 20 and U means U, and your V is nothing but 1 by 10. So 1 by 20 equals to 1 by U plus 1 by 10. Now you have to shift this 1 by 10 towards left side. If you shift this 1 by 10 towards left side, what will happen? It will become as a minus. Okay, 1 by 20 minus 1 by 10 is equals to 1 by U. How we got this minus 1 by 10? So once we shift this 1 by 10 towards left side, it will become as a minus 1 by 10. Now you have to do the LCM. So 20 into 10 at the denominator, numerator 10 minus 20. Okay, so 20 into 10 denominator and 10 minus 20 at the numerator. So 10 minus 20 is nothing but minus 10. So minus 10 by 20 into 10 equals to 1 by U. So 10 ones are 10 ones are will be cancelled. You will be getting minus 1 by 20 is equals to 1 by U, and U equals to minus 20 centimeter. We cannot predict the how much U value will be, but U value should be always negative. Okay, this is the solution for your fourth problem. Here you have your fifth problem. An arrow 2.5 centimeters high is placed at a distance of 25 centimeters from a diverging mirror of focal length 20 centimeters. Find the position, nature and size of the image. So here it was given diverging mirror. So diverging mirror is also known as convex mirror. Okay. So what is this 2.5 centimeters high? It is an object height 2.5 centimeters. And 25 centimeters is nothing but your object distance. So object distance is given as minus 25 centimeter. That means minus they won't give. We have to keep according to sign convention rule. And focal length is given as 20 centimeters. And we have to find the image distance. And we have to find the magnification. Okay. So before solving this problem, let me go with your rough diagram of your convex mirror. So P, F, C and F is 20. So C will become as a 40 and object is placed. As we know, the image is always obtained behind the mirror between P and F, and it is a virtual, erect and diminished image. So your V value should be less than F, less than 20 should get, and it should be positive. Now we will calculate the image distance by using mirror formula. So 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Okay, where F is 20 and U is minus 25. Substitute here. 1 by 20 equals to 1 by minus 25 plus 1 by V. Why? Because here U value is minus 25. Now this we have to shift this 1 by minus 25 towards left side. It will become as a positive. That means 1 by 25 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by V. Now you have to do the LCM. 25 into 20 at the denominator and 20 plus 25 at the numerator. Here you see. So denominator 25 into 20, numerator 20 plus 25. So 20 plus 25 is nothing but 45. So 45 by 25 into 20 is equals to 1 by V. So we know cancellation, simple cancellation we can take 5 9s are 45 and 5 4s are 20. Okay, 5 9s are 45 and 5 4s are 20. 25 into 4, 100. That is 9 by 100. How we got this? your 5 nines are 45, so your 9, and 5 fours are 20, 25 fours 100. So 9 by 100 is equals to 1 by V, but we want V, so V equals to 100 by 99. What is the value of 100 by 99? It is 11.11 centimeters. Now you check, your F is 20, so it should be less than 20 only, because it is a virtual error between P and F, so your answer is correct. Now we have to find the magnification. So the formula for magnification, HI equals to minus V by U into H naught. Why I took this formula? We can take this also, minus V by U, but in your problem object height is given 2.5 centimeters, so I am taking this HI equals to minus V by U into H naught. So what is the, substitute the value of V, U and H naught. So V value now itself only we got, that is 11.11 centimeters. So 11.11 centimeters. In formula you have minus, kept here minus, and U is nothing but minus 25. So I kept here minus 25, and H naught is nothing but 2.5. It was given in your question, 2.5. So here I took 2.5. So now here minus get cancelled. Here 25, 2.5. That is 10 multiply and divide, it will become 25 by 250, that is 0.1. If you cancel 2.5 by 25, you will be getting 0.1. So HI is equals to 11.11 into 0.1. How we got this 0.1? So 25, 0.1's 2.5. Okay, so 11 into 0.1 is nothing but 1.1 centimeters. Your image height is always less than the object height. Object height is 2.5, so we got image height is 1.1, so it is a diminished image. If we use only V by U, minus V by U, that is 11.11 by 25, you will be getting less than 1, 0.1 definitely. Okay, so this is your fifth problem. Okay, your sixth question. A convex mirror with a radius of curvature of 3 meters is used as rear view mirror for a vehicle. If a bus is located at 5 meters from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. Okay, so your rear view mirror is nothing but a side mirror for the vehicle. So what it was given, the radius of curvature 3 meters. Okay, so radius of curvature 3 meters. So how to convert the radius of curvature into focal length? That is 3 by 2. Half of the radius of curvature is nothing but your focal length, that is 1.5 meters. And what it was given, bus is located at 5 meters from this mirror, that is object distance is given as 5 meters, and we have to find the image distance and magnification. Now let me see your rough diagram. You have your rough diagram, convex mirror PFC, radius of curvature is 3 meters, so focal length will be 1.5, and this is your object. So image is always obtained between P and F. Here I represents an image, that means your V value should be less than 1.5. So now we have to solve this problem by using your mirror formula, that is 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So what is your F value? 1.5. What is your U value? The object distance is 5 meters. So here you can see 1 by 1.5 is equals to 1 by minus 5 plus 1 by V. Now what we have to do? This 1 by minus 5 you have to shift towards left side. So once we shift towards left side, it will become as a positive. That is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 1.5. Okay, so 1 by 5 plus 1.5 is equals to 1 by V. Now you have to do the LCM. 5 into 1.5 at the denominator and numerator 1.5 plus 5. Okay, so 5 into 1.5, here 1.5 plus 5. So 1.5 plus 5 is nothing but 6.5. Okay, so 6.5 by 5 into 1.5 is nothing but 7.5. So now you cancel for pointer, or you can multiply and divide with 10. Once you multiply with and divide with 10, it will become 65 by 75 is equals to 1 by V. We want the V value. So here you can go for the cancellation also. by using a 5 table we can cancel. So here you can see 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Here 5 ones are 5 and 2 remains, 5 fives are 25. That is 13 by 15. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 1 remain, 5 threes are 15. Numerator 13 will become. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. That is 13 by 15 is equals to 1 by V, but we want the V value, so V equals to 15 by 13. Now you cancel in 13 table, so that is 13 ones are 13, 2 remains, point you keep 20, again 13 ones are 13, again 13 fives are. Okay, so V equals to 1.15, it's not centimeters, sorry, it's V equals to 1.15 meters. Okay, the V value, because we got our problem is in terms of meters, so your V value is 1.15 meters. Now we have to do the magnification. What is the formula for magnification? M equals to minus V by U. What is your V value? 1.15 meters. And what is the U value? The U value is minus 5. So minus 1.15 by 5. So your minus minus get cancelled. So if you cancel that one, you will be getting 0.23. That is, we can 5 you can keep the point. It will become as a 11. So 5 2s are 10. 1 remain, 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay. So 0.23. So this is your solution for your 6th problem. I hope all of you understood how to solve the convex mirror problem. So always remember, so for sign convention rules, for convex mirror, U will be minus, F will be plus and V will be plus. So before solving any problem, just you have to draw always your convex mirror, place an object, and always remember your image will be obtained behind the mirror, that is P and F. So your image distance always less than the focal length, and your magnification will be always less than 1 itself only. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for watching the video.